Hickok 45 here on another dangerous woods walk. Look at this thing. Wow. New Ruger-made Marlin. Yes, model 95 SBL. Yep, they're out here in the flesh. And with a Banish 46 suppressor on it. Now we're not shooting subsonic ammo. Does that even exist in 4570? We're shooting some pretty warm 300 grain federal ammo, so it won't be all that quiet, but it'll be a little quieter. Maybe the enemy 2 hills over won't be able to pinpoint our location. That's the main purpose. Okay, so come on with me. Let's see if we can find some enemy around here. I'll bet you they're around. Got a big round in there. Oh man, feels good. Kind of a guide gun. Uh-oh, look at him hiding in that tree stump. Thought that would work, huh, buddy? Thought that would work. That didn't work so well. We'll come back and give you a decent burial. Big old 4570. Can't hate that, can you? A very nice round. And a very nice rifle. We're so glad Marlin is back. I gotta focus. What I'm doing here so I don't so I don't expire. All right. Got the big lever loop on it. Gotta keep my eyes out here. What's going on? I mean, my survival, John's survival, depend on it. It's not just a casual stroll in the woods. It's a matter of survival. Uh-oh, I think I see somebody behind that stump. Can I shoot through it with a 4570? I bet I can. Whoa, yes. All right. Oh man, I want to lose these 4570 empties. Big old Banish 46. I see one hiding over there behind that tree. Let's pick him off right between there. Got him. I know this is dangerous for y'all, but if we're willing to face the danger, you should be. There's always another tree to hide behind. That's the scariest part. You never know where they... Oh. Wow. Always another tree. This is dangerous stuff. But this 300 grain hollow point will take care of about anything. Yes, sir, Bob. And I think it's just quiet enough. Uh-oh. That we're not arousing suspicion more than 2 miles away. Yeah, that's the main thing. We better do a tactical reload here. I have my back pocket mag pouch. Isn't that a beautiful round? Going into a beautiful firearm. Oh yeah, model 95. Been reborn under Ruger Firearms. So glad to have an opportunity to try it out in such a desperate environment. All right, that might be enough. We'll see. Stay awake, stay alert. Not let y'all distract me. I need to saw all these trees down. It wouldn't be quite so dangerous, would it? Oh, see, like right there. Look at that guy. Too many places to hide. Everywhere. What a gorgeous rifle. I can't stop and admire it too much because, you know, I might not make it back. Oh, John, watch your head. You're going to get wet. So am I. He was hiding in the leaves. Some dangerous stuff there. I don't like to shoot them that close. I'd rather have them out there like that. Boom. All right. Oh, see a long shot down here. Let's sneak up on him. Get a sure shot. Yeah, got to snipe him from a distance. That way there's less risk. He might have been a distraction though. Trying to deceive me. Yeah. Sometimes they get tricky. All right, any more? Could be. I feel pretty safe with the trusty Marlin, I'll have to say. 4570. Hard to beat. Uh-oh, I do see one more. Look at that rascal hiding right there. Boom, poppy. Oh man, what a beauty. What a beauty. Yeah, gunpowder. Nice. Anyway, the suppressed Marlin Model 95 SBL. Not only good for the random T-Rex, but not bad for 2 liters.